Hi, my name is Bill Barbers. We're here at Double Black Offroad. We're a Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator specialist, and today we have finished off this brand new 2024 JL Wrangler Rubicon 2-door. Before it hits the tracks, we're going to finish it off with some Bedrock floor liners. On this particular Wrangler, we added the Rubicon steel bar because it came with a plastic bar from the factory. We added a Smittybilt winch. We've added the Mopar Sunrider soft top. We've also added a Rugged Ridge snorkel and a tow bar on the back. It's a Rubicon, so it has diff lockers, crawler gears, mud tyres. It is probably the most capable four-wheel drive off the showroom floor. At Double Black Offroad, where we can, we want to support Australian manufacturing, and nothing better than having these guys made locally here in Melbourne make the Bedrock liner. This liner is very solid, you can feel the quality in it, and it's going to last. Here is the JL Wrangler floor liner that comes from the factory. As you can see, it does not have nowhere near as deep a shoulder as the Bedrock liner that you see here, and furthermore, it doesn't have the indentations in the surface of the Bedrock, and when it's wet or muddy and you go to get in the vehicle, the Bedrock will offer a lot more grip on your foot than what this one will. Now that the Bedrock floor liners are in, this Jeep is ready to tackle all the trails that Australia has to offer.